So I've got it back in the shed, and let's have a little look inside, see what we've got. Have a look on the back, because on the back it says 1992 to 1997, so it's pretty old. I've taken a couple of screws out already, and steel casing, which is always good, better than plastic. And straight away inside you can see 3 massive great heat sinks. Then we've got another one there, one there, one there. Lovely. Big transformer. So hopefully that'll have some copper in it, because this is an old machine. There's another quite large transformer down there. So let's see how easy this is to whip these out. Hoping it's not going to be too bad. But you never know. Wonder if they're copper. Oh, nice little bits of copper. Lovely, look at that. So there's a few of those in there as well. That's unexpected. I do like old machines because they're generally better made. And I've got more goodies in them, and that's what we all want. Let's have a look at this transformer. I'll get that off first, because that should be reasonably easy to take out. You mess me about, come on. There we go. I'll just have to cut those ones. I'll cut them up there. Look at that. That's lovely, a big transformer. I think probably is copper in there, judging by the weight of it. I like taking these ones apart, so you've got all the little segments in there. I think I've actually got some in here. Move my tomato plants out of the way. Yeah, those transformers are made up of pieces like that, and they're quite fun to take apart. Right, let's see, got some ribbon wire. Didn't think it was going to be that easy, did I? I think someone might have had this apart before, because there's a screw missing, something missing from there. Let's just undo all the screws and then see where we get. Some of those ones on the back, of course, isn't there? I'll pause it while I undo all these screws. There we go. Right. Fan. So there'll be some copper inside the fan. Let's move that out of the way. The tricky bit is, how is the rest of this going to come out? Screw down there. It's quite tricky to see inside. There's quite a lot going on in here. Some more screws on the side. So much better built than new ones. It's like everything. They build things so that they break, so then we have to buy new ones. Another screw there. They suddenly appear. There we go. Let's just snip that zip tie. Tiny little board, there's not a great deal on that one. That's the one I'm interested in, that other. Pull that off there, that off there, that off there, there we go. So you can see here, up the top, there's some little copper coils there, very nice. And so there's loads of aluminium on that, so that's going to be good. Right, let's move that out of the way. Get this one off and see what's in this one. Take the cable off. Got a nice bit of copper in the cable. Another plug for the latest edition of Plug Soup. That off there, nice bit of cable. So put that with that bit. I say there's some more copper in there and in there. Oh, okay, had a little emergency. Let's go and sort that out. So let's have another look at this. So we've got transformer there. I can't remember what they're called. But anyway, there's copper on there. There'll be some ferrite in there. Might possibly be some copper in that plastic one there, and there's obviously it's copper in this one. Another heatsink. Doing well for heat sinks out of this one. Let's put that down there. We've got to get this, the DVD player out. They can be a bit awkward to take apart, but I still take them all, every little bit out. There's a couple of motors in here. There's 1, 2, 3 motors inside here. There's one there, and another one there. And you take the copper out of those if you want. There's not much in the way of chips. They're just kind of regular, bog standard chips, nothing fancy. Although there is one on the other side of there, so we'll just have a little look at that one. I figure it's going to be probably another one like that or similar. I don't think there's any gold corner chips in this. Sometimes find with the older things there, they do have better chips in, but I don't think so. No, it's just a nice size one, but nothing fancy. Make sure these screws were in there well. We've got some crystal oscillators. I love those. So yeah, not much of a board. Speaking of crystal oscillators, they're in there. My little box of those. I'll just show you my little box of those. We love those, don't we? And there, the DVD drive. Yeah, just a couple of motors. The rest of that's probably plastic. And that is about it. We'll have a look at what's in the front part. So the whole casing is apart from this very front bit, the whole of that casing is steel. So that's another bit I've got to get rid of. I am doing a scrap run this week because we're going down to the big town. So I might try and video parts of it. to give you an idea of what's involved going down to the scrapyard. It takes about 2 hours to get there, and we have to go on 2 ferries. And this time of year, with all the holiday makers, it can be a bit tricky even getting on the ferry, because they don't have priority for the islanders, the residents here, which I keep getting onto our lovely MP about. So, a couple of nice bits of steel. Just chuck them there, out of the way, and we'll see what's in here. More screws. I certainly didn't want this to fall apart. Oh, I don't need to have 4 in there, but I'm sure they have their reasons. Oh, I'm no electrician. Oh, there's 5 in there, jeez. And that is the only piece of plastic on the whole thing. Just that. Excellent. That's what we like. Right, let's sort this out. Oh no, there's those bits of plastic as well. A fan cover and a zip tie. There we go. That is what we got out of that. Don't know if I can zoom in this side. No, we can't. I'll just take the camera out. So for a DVD player, we actually got quite a lot out of that. We've got all these boards, and the best part, I think, the heat sinks. So I love a heat sink. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was another one on one of the other ones. So at least 7 heat sinks on there. Oh, there's one there. 8. A couple of really nice transformers there, which I have copper in. Some fairly basic boards, the rest of them. And we'll have a motor in the fan, and then we've got 3 motors in the DVD player. So I'll just tell you what make that was. It was doesn't even say on there. 1996 it says, but the actual year on there it says 92 to 97. And it was, I might find something with the name on it. There we go. A Toshiba DVD home cinema system. Model number SD-43HKSB. So, older ones, I'd say well worth going for. Anyway, thank you for watching. And thank you for the new subscriptions. Thank you for the comments and the likes. And I will catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.